Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to bypass AppCloner version error. First, I will show my error. I will click tick. Oh, sorry. Then OK. It has error. This version of AppCloner is obsolete. Please go to the Google Play Store. We can solve this problem. First, you need to uninstall this AppCloner. I have downloaded the AppCloner Pro APK. So I will install. First you need to off the internet connection. Then you need to install this. Download, sorry, local. Download. Install this. Don't turn on the internet connection. After open, this is the same APK 1.4.15 and now it will work. I will uh, Smegoran. I will click bus. Okay, it will work because the data if we start the data connection, they will find the version, so it will crash with versions. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a nice day.